Grab a flashlight. Welcome under my blanket. Tonight's story is called The Thing in the Drain. Jimmy threw the quarter, and his little brother Matt dove to the bottom of the pool in search of it. Matt scanned the bottom and saw the shiny coin lying near the grate covering the drain. Matt kicked his way over to the coin and reached out for it. He looked at the drain grate and saw two glowing red eyes peering out at him. The grate lifted, and a swollen, rotting hand reached for him. Matt screamed and yanked his hand back. The quarter forgotten. He planted his feet on the bottom of the pool and shoved off. He thought he felt a slimy finger slide along his ankle as he shot to the surface. Matt shot out of the water, gasping for air. He tore off his goggles. "There's something down there!" he yelled to Jimmy. "Yeah," Jimmy said. "My quarter. Did you find it?" "No, there's a monster down there." "And you just left the quarter at the bottom of the pool?" Matt began to cry. "I'm serious, Jimmy. There's something bad down there. It tried to grab me." Jimmy had heard about enough. "Give me your goggles, doofus." Matt threw Jimmy his goggles, and Jimmy pulled them on. He stuck his head underwater and looked around. A moment later, he lifted his head. "I don't see anything down there except the quarter. It's over by the drain." "I know, Jimmy. The monster is in the drain." "Oh, for Pete's sake," Jimmy said, and he dove into the water. He could hear Matt's screams echoing off the pool building walls above him. Jimmy swam down to the bottom and grabbed the coin. As he was about to head back up, he saw something glittering out of the corner of his eye. He looked at the drain and saw a gold wedding band stuck in the grating. Jimmy swam over to the drain, and as he reached out for the ring, the grate flipped open, and a decaying arm shot out and grabbed his wrist. Jimmy screamed and tried to pull his arm away, but the harder he pulled, the tighter the slimy hand's grip was on his wrist. The dead arm began to pull Jimmy toward the drain. Jimmy could see a pair of glowing red eyes peering out of the dark hole. He thrashed and tried to scream again, but found he didn't have any air left in his lungs. He sucked in pool water as his arm was drawn down into the drain up to the shoulder. Matt watched as his brother swam down to the drain. When he saw Jimmy start to struggle, Matt jumped out of the pool. The water churned and boiled and turned red, and Matt ran to find his parents. By the time they returned to the pool, the water was clear and still, and there was no sign of Jimmy. Neither his parents nor the cops investigating Jimmy's disappearance were very interested in Matt's story about a monster in the pool drain. Police divers did examine the bottom of the pool and reported nothing out of the ordinary. One of the divers approached Matt. I found something down there I thought you might like." The diver opened his hand and held out a shiny quarter. "The detective said I could give it to you." Matt took one look at the coin and fainted. I hope you've enjoyed tonight's edition of Under My Blanket, and will join me again next time.